In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage backups efficiently using Hostinger's hPanel. First things first, let's get logged into your hPanel account. Head over to Hostinger's website and click on the login button located at the top right corner. Use your credentials to access your account. It's always a good idea to keep your login information secure, so ensure you have a strong password to protect your websites and data. Now that you're logged in, let's find the backup settings. On the hPanel dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options. What we're looking for is the Backups section, so go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage the backup of your website data. Backups are crucial as they ensure that in case anything goes wrong, such as accidental deletion or a cyber attack, you can quickly restore your website to its previous state. Once you're in the Backups section, take a moment to review the options available to you. Hostinger offers a daily backup option, which is extremely useful. Daily backups ensure that all your website data is saved every day, providing a safety net should anything unexpected occur. If your plan includes it, you should enable this option right away. A simple toggle switch or checkbox should be present for activating daily backups, so ensure it's turned on. Next, let's configure the backup retention settings. This is the setting that determines how long your backups are kept before being automatically deleted. Depending on your website's needs, you might want to keep backups for a week, a month, or longer. Consider how frequently your website content changes and how critical it is to have older versions available when deciding on this setting. Adjust the retention period according to your preferences. Remember, longer retention periods use more storage space. After configuring these settings, don't forget to save your changes. It's easy to make adjustments, but forgetting to save them can lead to unnecessary headaches later on. Look for a save button, often located at the bottom of the page or area you're working in, and click it to apply the changes you've made. Finally, it's important to verify your backup status regularly. This means periodically checking in to ensure that your backups are running as scheduled and that everything is functioning smoothly. This proactive monitoring can prevent future issues and gives you peace of mind knowing that your website data is being securely backed up without any problems. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and managed your website backups using Hostinger's hPanel. Regular backups are an essential part of website maintenance, so great job on taking this step to secure your data. If you ever need to restore a backup, you'll be prepared. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.